Hi. By the end of this video, you'll learn what questions you can ask to figure out the name of this major key signature. If this is not your first key signature video, try your best to think of what the name of this key signature is before I reveal its name at the end. Watch a few more flat key signature videos and see if you can figure out the names of the key signatures on those videos faster and faster each time until you learn the process and, well, no longer need a video to help you figure it out for yourself. Let's take a look at the key signature and get started with our first question. You can follow along in treble clef or in the bass clef staff, whichever is easier for you to learn with, since the process for naming a key signature is the same in any music staff. Okay, in this key signature, we can see one flat. And the first of two questions we need to ask ourselves is, what interval is a fourth lower than the last flat in the key signature? Once we find that, that's the letter name of the key signature. So, let's find that last flat. Well, in a key signature of only one flat, it's kind of hard to miss. There it is. And by looking to see what line or space runs through its center, we can see that this flat's letter name is B, because it's on the B line. Now, to help us find a fourth lower than this, let's first find this letter name on a piano keyboard. There it is. And in music, the distance between two different pitches is called an interval. To find the interval of a fourth lower, we count the music alphabet letter names in reverse, or to the left on a piano keyboard. And in music, we always count the starting pitch as pitch number 1. So let's get counting. Here's B, then number 2 is A, 3 is G, and F is our fourth lower, then B. F is the letter name of the key signature. Now, since we're working with flats in this key signature, some flat key signatures also use the word flat in their name, and sometimes some flat key signatures do not. So before we can stop, let's ask ourselves the last question to see if the name of this key signature also includes the word flat or not. Is that letter flat, is F, one of the flats in the key signature? So take a look at the key signature, and it might seem kind of silly to ask this because there literally are no other flats in the key signature when there's only one flat, and we've already identified its name as B. But let's go through the process all the same. If we do see an F flat in the flats of the key signature, then we would say this is the key of F flat. If we do not, if no, then we just say the letter name without saying the word flat. This is the key of F. So, do you see any F flats in the key signature? I know, it's a silly question. Of course you don't. So, for this flat major key signature, we do not say the word flat. Everybody, this is the key signature of F major, not F flat major. Did you figure out the name before it was revealed? Try another key signature video with a different amount of flats and see how you do. Thanks for watching.